We're now going to follow the road ahead. Eventually we'll get to a set of traffic lights. Can you see them on green?
Yes.
At them traffic lights we are turning left.
Okay.
Let's go to gear 5.
Okay. Center.
Yep, up. There we are.
Okay.
At the traffic lights, turn left.
Okay.
The car's telling you to stay in your lane.
Oh yeah.
The car's wobbling. It's going left and right, that's why.
Is it because of me or because of the terrain?
It's because of you're zigzagging in the road. Now we need to avoid parking in the cycle lane. And that's lovely. And we're going to come to a stop here. And now we'll quickly get ourselves ready because they've been on red while we were approaching, so potentially could go green soon. Make it. Gear 2, come on. Stop thinking twice about the gear change. Now gear 3. What you mustn't do is question yourself. Your gear change was correct, then all of a sudden you're having an argument. Gear 4. Good. What does the sign mean on the left hand side?
Stagger junction.
What does that mean?
That there are two roads coming, one on the right first and one on the left.
Okay. Let's go a little faster. It's perfectly safe to do so. As we follow the road ahead, the road will then go downhill.
Yeah.
At the traffic lights, we are turning right. We are following the signs for the Leeds city centre, okay?
Okay.
Nope, it's a Porsche. So we're following the signs for Leeds. We can see the sign on the green board.
Okay, on the right.
Yep, we're braking a little bit heavy, okay? You are braking heavy. That's fine. Make sure you're in the centre of your lane. So look in both door mirrors and centre your car. And stop.
Is it too far, too close?
It's okay for time being. It's okay. Yes, a little bit close, but it's no big deal. It's perfectly fine.
Okay.
Just remember, if he breaks down, can you get round him? Do you know where you are?
No.
We just came up that road a few moments ago.
Oh, did we?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going down, but from a different angle.
Interesting. Is this a very sharp hill? No.
No, it's a flat road as we go around now.
The one we came up?
No, we're on the other side of the same road.
Okay.
So we're like 3 miles away from the turn that we made. When you turn your corner, you must be in gear 2.
Okay.
Gear 2. Look in your right door mirror and turn. Yep, we can turn. Keep on the left of the road. Give gas. That's nice. Now gear 3. So we're keeping pace now. Gently increase your pace. Remember, he was just in front of us. Look where he is now. Now go into gear 4. Stay to the left of your road. Now when we go around corners on country roads, very rarely do we do them in gear 5 or 6. Very, very rare. That's telling you it's a very sharp turn.
Yeah.
So gear 4 is acceptable, it's fine. It's 30 as an advisory.
Okay.
So although the maximum speed limit on this road is 40,
Yeah.
they're saying to you, when you're going round the corner, drop your speed to 30. So it's safer. This is perfectly fine what you're doing.
Okay. Nice. Is that a church?
Oh yeah, it is, yeah. Lovely church. Now we'll slow down a little bit more as we go around the sharp corner. That's good. Left mirror check. And now follow the road round to your side. To my side, sorry. That's fine. Now we know what the speed limit is, don't we?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's 40.
Is it?
No, 30.
Yeah. Gear 4, it's very easy to go over 30. If you look now, you're almost at 30 now.
Yeah.
So be consciously aware that gear 4 is like a cruising gear, it's a speeding gear.
Okay.
So if you're in gear 4, it's very easy to go over 30.
Okay.
So try and make sure that you're in control of your speed by glancing down every few seconds.
Okay.
And slowly, as your driving experience increases, you'll begin to sense and understand what 30 miles an hour feels like. And then you'll be able to hit it through the gears.
But can I move to gear 3 then?
If you feel that you need to. I've got no objections.
Okay.
But we're doing 23 miles an hour now, so let's go a little quicker. We need to be travelling at a reasonable speed.
25, something like that.
If you think that's safe, that's cool. When you're coming off the clutch, come off it a little slower. Don't let the car bounce.
Okay.
As we follow the road ahead, we can see a green sign at the end of the road. Can you see it on the left?
Yeah. Roundabout.
That's making you aware of a roundabout.
Yeah.
At the roundabout, we will be taking the second exit going ahead.
Okay.
I'd like you to do it from the left lane, keep on the left lane on the roundabout, and exit the roundabout in the left lane of the roundabout.
The first left.
No, it's the second exit.
So it's straight, kind of.
There's 2 exits on the roundabout.
Yeah.
We're taking the second exit.
Okay.
There'll be 2 lanes that go onto the roundabout and 2 lanes exit the roundabout. You're going to keep in lane 1 as you go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, so keep left, come off to the left. That's good. That's nice. Let's reduce our speed, consider gear 2 while you're following the road round. If it's safe, gently come off the clutch and stay in lane 1.
Sorry.
Now signal left to exit. We're going to remain in lane 1. Cancel your signal and go into gear 3. Their lane was merging with ours. I didn't have time to tell you to look in your right door mirror.
I should have.
At the next roundabout, go ahead, second exit. Now look at the floor markings as you approach. Make sure you are in the correct lane as you approach. That's good. Reduce your speed.
Oh, that one.
Yes. Go into gear 2. If it's safe, go on to the roundabout. And then signal to exit the roundabout. Good. Mirror check was nice. Well done. Now gear 3. Sit. Yep. 3.
Sorry.
So we continuously make progress.
Okay.
And now gear 4. And we're now going to keep to the left of our road, just in case there's an emergency vehicle overtaking the cluster of cars, okay? Any particular reason why we're dropping our speed to less than 30?
No, sorry.
What's the speed limit here?
50.
Then we need to be going reasonably faster. Otherwise, she'll outjog us. She'll run faster than our car. No, it's a different car.
That's a Polo.
That's a VDB Polo. Yeah. Your favourite car. He will wait in the middle. We will continue.
Yeah.
Now look in your rear view mirror.